Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best raw spread Forex brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. It's been decades since the currency market altered. It had no digital presence before, but now it is the largest financial placeholder. Increasingly popular features and tools are added to cater to the growing audience. Opening a trading account also has many options. Many Forex brokers now provide a range of accounts. Raw spread trading accounts are a popular choice. Each Forex broker may set different fees, maximum leverage, margin requirements, and other conditions for raw spread trading accounts. Traders who are searching for some of the best raw spread Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best raw spread Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have ThinkMarkets. ThinkMarkets is a fully regulated Forex broker that is based in Australia and the United Kingdom. The company was founded in 2010 as Think Forex in New Zealand, but later adopted the name ThinkMarkets when it expanded very quickly. The company uses advanced technology, offering competitive prices, fast order execution, different levels of leverage and investment opportunities in the expertise of a money manager by using accounts such as PAM and MAM accounts. These create a competitive trading environment. This broker specializes in trading through Forex, indices, precious metals, shares, CFDs, cryptocurrencies, and commodities. Their accounts are available on Think Zero, Standard, Islamic, and joint accounts, with tighter spreads, lower minimum deposits, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week live support, access to their free virtual private servers, and so much more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and their very own Think Trader, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. ThinkMarkets also provides their very own Learning Center, which covers beginner, intermediate, and advanced trading guides, a variety of written articles, market news and analysis panels, as well as their very own economic calendar for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational content with ThinkMarkets. At number 4 on our list is Vantage FX. Vantage FX is a transparent and secure broker, regulated with the ASIC and FINMA. With Vantage FX, traders receive constant support through TeamViewer, fast and easy account opening, access to a range of features such as the Chart IQ platform, Zulu Trade for social trading, and more. Vantage FX specializes and provides services in trading through Forex, indices, energies, soft commodities, precious metals, and share CFDs. Available platforms are supported on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Zulu Trade, as well as the Vantage FX mobile application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on Standard STP, Raw, and Pro ECN accounts, with up to 44 tradable currency pairs, lower minimum deposits, lower spreads, and more. Vantage FX also provides their very own educational panels, which delve into a variety of educational topics, such as an overview of Forex trading, beginner's guides, manuals and video tutorials in MetaTrader functionality, and more for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with Vantage FX. Coming in at number 3, we have XM. XM is a beginner-friendly Forex broker that was founded in 2009. They are regulated by 6 top-tier agencies, including the CYSEC, the ASIC, and the FCA, and currently has over 5 million clients worldwide. To start trading on the XM accounts, a minimum deposit of only $5 is required, and you can fund your account using one of 9 base currencies. XM gives you the opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of commodities, Forex pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, metals, shares, and energies. We recommend XM for all types of traders, whether you are a professional or only just beginning your trading career. XM provides 4 trading account types, which are featured on Standard, XM Ultra Low, Micro, a shares account, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. All accounts have negative balance protection, lower spreads, lower minimum deposits, and more. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and XM's proprietary mobile trading application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The XM Learning Center provides live education and plenty of educational videos, as well as Forex webinars and platform tutorials. You can also use XM for in-depth market overviews and market news. A variety of trading ideas, technical summaries, podcasts, and much more are also provided if you are searching for any additional educational material with XM. At number 2 on our list is Pepperstone. Pepperstone is a highly regulated, low-risk Forex broker that offers competitive trading conditions with tight spreads guaranteed. This broker has been in the Forex industry for more than a decade and offers 2 flexible account types, in addition to demo accounts and swap-free accounts. With Pepperstone, you can diversify your investment portfolio with more than 1,200 instruments and enjoy all the tools and features offered by the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms, as well as the CTrader trading platform. Pepperstone provides plenty of helpful articles for beginners, along with weekly video updates, price forecasts, and so much more. Pepperstone offers 2 main trading accounts with institutional-grade spreads, an active trader program, demo accounts, and swap-free accounts. All trading accounts allow hedging, scalping, and the use of expert advisors. Pepperstone uses a no-dealing desk broker that also offers premium benefits for professional traders. Pro clients have access to higher leverage referral rewards and dedicated account managers. Pepperstone provides the Razor account, which offers spreads starting at 0 pips and is recommended for scalpers and algorithmic traders. The Standard account is a beginner-friendly account with spreads starting from 0.6 pips. The Pepperstone demo account can be used on MetaTrader 4 and 5 as well as CTrader, and you can also specify the type of account you would like to try in a risk-free environment. Their swap-free accounts are suitable for clients of the Muslim faith and offer spreads starting at 1 pip, along with support for scalping, hedging, and expert advisor trading. Their Active Trader program is designed for high-volume traders and comes with virtual private server hosting and advanced insights and reports. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as the CTrader trading platform. They also provide some helpful trading tools such as Smart Trader tools for MetaTrader 4 and 5, AutoChartist, MyFX Book, MetaTrader Signals, and DupliTrade for social trading. If you are new to trading, Pepperstone offers plenty of helpful trading guides and articles, educational webinars, and the option to copy the trades of professionals. You can also use a demo account to learn how to trade and practice different strategies. Pepperstone is an award-winning no-dealing desk Forex broker that offers competitive, beginner-friendly trading accounts. With this broker, you can trade over 1,000 instruments on 3 of the most popular trading platforms in the market. You will have access to a variety of trading tools and plenty of market insights, market news, and educational resources to help you get started. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best raw spread Forex brokers, we have ICMarkets. ICMarkets is an online Forex, ECN, and CFD broker regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, as well as the Seychelles Financial Services Authority. ICMarkets specializes and offers services in trading across Forex, commodities, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and futures. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature demo, raw spread, and standard accounts, with lower starting deposits, lower spreads, up to 64 tradable currency pairs, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and more. ICMarkets also provides their very own educational panels, which delve into beginners' guides to getting started with trading, a range of articles and written educational content, which covers trading lessons, analysis and news, as well as a variety of educational videos and webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with ICMarkets. And those are some of the top 5 best raw spread Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.